If equipped, your Jeep tonneau cover helps keep the cargo in your pickup bed dry and out of plain sight. To roll up the tonneau cover or remove it completely, first open the tailgate to access the release straps. Then just pull either of the two release straps to disengage the rear locking mechanism. Now roll up the cover starting with the rear bar and continue to the front of the pickup bed. If you want to leave the cover on in the fully rolled up position, use the straps to secure it and you're all set. To remove the tonneau cover completely, make sure it is completely rolled up and the straps are secure. Using a number 50 Torx head driver, remove the two fasteners that secure the cover to the front of the bed. Then, with the help of a second person, carefully remove it from the vehicle. When you want to install it, position the rolled-up tonneau cover on the truck bed and align it to the two fastener locations in the front of the bed. Fasten the cover to the bed using the two number 50 Torx head screws, then lower the tailgate to the fully open position. Next, unfasten the straps used to secure the cover and unroll it toward the back of the vehicle. Position the tonneau cover latches over the locking mechanisms, one on each side of the bed, making sure the plastic retainers are correctly seated in the forward part of the latch. Once the back bar is positioned over the locking mechanism, grasp the back of the tonneau cover and push downward on the center to engage the locking mechanism. There will be an audible click from both sides of the tonneau cover, confirming the latch is properly engaged. If desired, the tonneau cover can be left in the partially open position for use with the tailgate in the mid position. Otherwise, continue to roll the cover to the rear until it is fully covering the truck bed. The tailgate can now be closed, and you can be on your way. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.